Colorado Credit Services Organization Bond. What is Colorado Credit Services Organization Bond? The Colorado Credit Services Organization Bond is a type of surety bond required for businesses that provide credit repair or debt management services within the state. It serves as a financial guarantee that the organization will operate ethically and in compliance with the Colorado Credit Services Organization Act. This bond protects consumers from fraudulent or misleading practices by ensuring they have recourse if the company causes financial harm. Why is Colorado Credit Services Organization Bond required? The state of Colorado requires this bond to safeguard the public from deceptive or unfair practices in the credit services industry. By mandating the bond, the state ensures that credit service providers adhere to legal and ethical standards when offering services like improving credit reports or managing debts. It also reinforces consumer confidence by providing a financial remedy if a company violates the law. How does Colorado Credit Services Organization Bond work? If a credit services organization fails to fulfill its obligations, engages in misconduct, or violates state laws, a claim can be made against the bond. The surety company backing the bond may pay out valid claims up to the bond amount, covering consumer losses. Ultimately, the bonded organization is responsible for reimbursing the surety, ensuring accountability for their actions. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.